In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy Pepe on Binance. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, and it can be done on your PC or on the mobile app, so it doesn't actually matter which device you're using. But to start with, you just want to head over to Binance. Now, from here, once you've logged into your account, you just want to make sure you do actually have some funds in your account. And you can check that by going up to the top right corner, looking for this icon, and then going down to Account Wallet. Now, if you haven't got any money in your Binance account, you will either have to send it over from a different wallet, or you can buy it up here at the top. However, I'm assuming most of you do have some crypto ready in your Binance account. So once you do actually have some crypto in your account, you can go up to the top where it says trade, and we can go down to spot exchange. Now from here, we can just click on any of these so that we can actually enter the spot exchange. And from here, we can go up to the top right corner where the search bar is, and we just want to type in Pepe. Now, as you can see, here's all the Pepe pairs, and a pair basically means that you can trade one coin for the other. So for example, Pepe against USDT means that we can either buy Pepe with USDT, or we can buy USDT with Pepe. So what you'll have to do is choose one of these trading pairs, and you'll actually have to own the coin on the right hand side in order to actually buy Pepe. So you're either going to have USDT, FDUSD, TUSD, TRI, or USDC. Now, I actually have some USDT in my wallet, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose Pepe against USDT. And you can see in the top left corner that Pepe/USDT has now been selected. So from here, we can scroll down to the bottom, and we want to make sure we are in this spot tab. From here, we can go to the one in the middle and choose market, and this will allow us to buy it at the current market price. So since we're trying to buy Pepe with USDT, we're going to go over to this left hand side because this green button says buy Pepe. And up here, we can choose how much USDT worth we want to buy. So as you can see, I've got $3.90 in my account. And let's just say we wanted to spend 25% of that on Pepe. I can click this slider here to select 25%. And all we have to do from here is click buy Pepe. And it's telling me that I need to buy more than one USD worth. So I'm just going to choose a bit more. And when I click buy Pepe, as you can see, it has now been purchased. So we can now go back to our wallet by going up here and clicking account wallet. And you can now see that I own Pepe in my Binance account. So that's how you can buy Pepe coin on Binance. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.